Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Daisy and I'm going to start teaching you yoga. As today is my first day, I'm going to start from some basics. Anyone who wants to learn or do yoga should know some basics to it first. So, today I'm going to talk about the 4 main positions which you should know while starting or learning to do yoga. The 4 basic positions are sitting, standing, supine and prone, and I'm going to explain these positions in details. Sitting position. These positions we do some asanas, and mainly this position is helpful while doing pranayam or meditation. About the second position. The second position is standing position. In standing position asanas, all the postures are done while we are standing. We could bend, we could twist, but it's all in a standing position. And the third position is supine. Supine means lying flat on your body, as like when you sleep. It's straight and your face should face the sky. And we can do many asanas while in this position. And also, one of my favorite things that we do while in this position is savasana. It's like a meditative position which we are going to learn about later. And the last position is prone position. This position is when your body faces downward to the earth. Like all your limbs or your stomach is going to be on the ground. So that's the last position, which is known as prone position. There are also one more position, that is additional position, and that is called as twisting position. You do this position in different asanas which you have to do in twisting shapes of the body. So yeah, this is it. And
now here is a bonus of one asana from each of the 4 postures. The first one is in sitting position, and this asana is called the forward bend or Paschimottanasana. In yoga, it is very important to follow each step very carefully. The second one is in standing position, and this asana is known as the tree posture or Vrikshasana, and this is one of my favorite yoga posture. The third one is in supine position, and this yoga posture is known as double leg raise or Uttan Padasana. And the last one is in prone position, and this yoga posture is known as the bow pose or Dhanurasana.
keep watching my channel to know more about many more different things about yoga. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something today. Namaste.